Hey authors! In this video we're going to talk about how to get the individual link to your review from Amazon so you can give it to our support team so we can verify your assignment. Alright, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the books link in my browser. You can get this either from support or from your Puppy dashboard. I'm going to go to this page, and here is the book where I wrote my review. You can scroll down to see the reviews, or you can click this number and ratings right here, and this will skip down the page to all the reviews. If you reviewed the book recently, you can filter by most recent reviews, and your review will probably be somewhere on this page. My review is right here at the top. To grab the link to my individual review, I'm going to hover over this bold title that says extremely detailed, and I'm going to right click on my mouse and click copy link address. Again, I'm going to hover over the bold title of my review, right click, and click copy link address. You can then paste this into our live chat or reply to any emails we've sent you with this link, and we will verify your review for you so you can keep your snaps. Please let us know if you have any questions, and have a great day.